Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna provide you a solution. If your computer is not showing your RAM, like I have installed 192 GB RAM, right? You can see here I have installed 192 GB of RAM on my gaming PC. But before it was showing 192 GB installed, but it was showing only 96 or something GB usable. So if you are running into same issue, your RAM is more than less usable. So it's a very quick fix you can do. So what is the solution of this problem is you simply gonna check what version you have on your Windows. If you have Windows 11 Home, so that's the issue you are dealing with. So after upgrading my Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro, my RAM starts showing up. It become 192 GB usable. So if you are using more than 100 GB RAM, if you see you have less RAM usable, so that's the solution. You just have to upgrade your Windows version, Home to Pro version. That's the solution. And I see you in the next one.